In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the seller dashboard on eBay, a necessary tool for anyone starting their journey in selling on this platform. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is designed to walk you through each step in a straightforward, easy-to-understand manner. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into eBay. Head over to the eBay website and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one following their basic prompts. You'll find it's a quick and simple process. But assuming you already have an account, logging in is the gateway to all your selling activities, so make sure you remember your username and password to gain access seamlessly. Once you're logged in, your next step is navigating to My eBay. You'll find My eBay typically in the top right corner of the page. It's kind of like your control center on eBay, housing all of your buying, selling, and account information. From the My eBay drop-down menu, you'll want to look for Selling. By selecting this, you're ushered into the realm of your selling activities, with all the relevant tools and information at your disposal. Now, to open your seller dashboard, it's right within the Selling section, so you don't have to go far. On this page, you should see a link to the seller dashboard. Clicking this link will bring you into a comprehensive overview of your selling performance. The dashboard is a fantastic tool that eBay provides to help sellers like you keep track of everything from sales data to buyer feedback. Once you're in your seller dashboard, spend some time reviewing your performance metrics and policies. This part is crucial because it gives you an insightful look into how you're doing as a seller on eBay. You'll find information on sales performance, policy compliance, and any actions you need to take. Performance metrics often include factors such as sales totals, buyer feedback, shipping times, and even defects. These factors combine to give you a snapshot of your overall seller health on eBay. Reviewing these metrics not only helps you identify areas you're excelling in, but also pinpoint opportunities for improvement. By keeping a close eye on them, you can adapt your strategies to enhance seller performance and avoid potential pitfalls. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now be able to effortlessly navigate to and utilize your seller dashboard on eBay. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to navigate around and explore these features further on your own time. Thanks for joining me today. Keep striving to improve your selling game, and good luck on your eBay journey.